Welcome, in front of me is a Navitel T787 and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button and from there gonna select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold the volume up and power button at the same time. This will take us to boot mode. In here, using only volume up, you want to select first option, which is recovery mode. So just make sure that the arrow jumps all the way up, and from there, press volume down to confirm it. And as you can see, we are now in recovery mode. Now in here we have a couple options. So quickly going over them, we have a reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. And then we have reboot to bootloader, which will take us to previous page. Enter fastboot mode, obviously just takes us to fastboot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. Now to navigate through these options, you'll need to use the volume up and down, as you can see, and then whatever option is selected, you'll then confirm it with power button. Now because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with the first one, which is reboot system now, confirm it, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.